Alright, so I'm going to take you through creating your first controller. Now that we have our basics set up. If you go into config here and you open up routes, you'll see that the default controller is set to welcome. And then you come back here, controllers, welcome, this is what's going to be called, and this is what's displaying right now. This is what we're seeing. This is from the welcome controller. Now if we wanted to make a website or something, we would want it to call one of our controllers, probably. So let's create a new controller, call it home.php. And then you just want to grab some of this from the welcome one and add that to yours. What this does is this will stop people from accessing your controller without going through CodeIgniter first. And we'll call this home, since that's what we named it. And if you call a controller without specifying the function, it's going to automatically call the index function. And then we can just do this and save that. And then you go back to routes. You can change this default controller to home. And then you go to the browser, refresh the page, and now it's going to call our home controller, the index function there that just echoes we are here. Now, if you wanted to create a new another controller, like say you had an about page, home, do the same thing again, get the whole thing this time, about, there it is, and this is about page. Save that, back to the browser. Now the way you're going to access this one is, since we haven't removed this yet, you're going to have to put index.php. That didn't work. Alright, that didn't work because that's there. This is the about page. You don't have to put index. This calls the same thing as this. Now, if we wanted to call something, another function, something else here. This is something else. Save that, and then go. This is something else. So that's basic controllers.